Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. In this session, I am going to deal different type of problems on calendar. This session is most useful for all type of competitive exams like SSC, RRB, bank exams, state level group 1, group 2 and sub-inspector of police, etc. In this topic you may get 1 or 2 questions. Do you want increase your ability? Then watch the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you need of interesting concepts and short tricks, then please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. If you need of basics of the calendar, then click this I button as well as you can go with playlist also. Let us see example number 1. Ravi went to see a movie 9 days before. He see the movie on Friday. Today is what day of a week? So we need to find today. What is the date today? So 9 days before he went to the movie. Ravi went to the movie. So on 9 days before it was the Friday. So what day it is today? So here total days 9 days. So 9 days means you can calculate the odd days one you have to calculate. So here we are getting 9 days means one complete week we are getting plus 2 odd days. So one complete week means 7 1 is 7. Here 7 plus 2 9. So odd days we got it here, 2 odd days we got. So after 9 days, so today, what is the date today? Today one we need to find. So today equal 9 days before it is the Friday plus 2. Friday plus 2 we are getting, that is Sunday. Today is Sunday. So Ravi went to see a movie 9 days before. The 9 days before it was Friday. Today is Sunday. Next one more example. Example number 2. Today is Friday. After 62 days, what will be the day? So here it is the Friday. After 62 days, what day we are getting? That one we need to find. See here. So after 62 days means that 62 days one odd days you have to find. So 62 days, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63. So 7 8 is 56 means 8 complete weeks plus, so 8 complete weeks we are getting here, 8 complete weeks plus 6 odd days. 7 8 is 56, 56 plus 6 it is 62. So 6 odd days. Now, so Friday plus 6. So Friday plus 6, that is Thursday we are getting. After 62 days, what day we are getting? That is Thursday we are getting. Next one more example. Example number 3. 29th February is Monday. What was the day on 11th February? So 29th February it is Monday. 11th February which day we have to get? That one we need to find. So see here 29th 7 days back it is 22. 22 days minus 7 that is 15 and 15 minus 7 that is 8 and minus 7 what we can get, that is 1 we are getting. So are the Mondays. So 29th February is Monday means, so 1 week back it will be the Monday only now. So here 29th is Monday, 22nd also we are getting Monday, 15th, 8th and 1 with the dates we are getting the Mondays. So now we need to find 11th Monday. So in this nearer to 8. So 11th February we need to find. 11th February means here we can take 8 plus 3. So 8 means here this is the date of 8th. Date of 8th it is Monday. Monday plus 3. Monday plus 3. Monday plus 3 we can get Thursday we are getting. So on 11th February we are getting Thursday. Next, one more example. Example number 4. If this year is a leap year and 1st January is Monday, after how many years 1st January will be on Monday? So this is the leap year and January 1st January it is Monday. So we need to find how many years afterwards we are getting 1st January will be on Monday. So see here, this one how we have to do. So this year, first January it is the leap year. This is the leap year. After 1 year, first January, that is non-leap year. Non-leap year we are getting. So here, this is the 1st January. 1st January, this given year, leap year it is given. Leap year it is having 2 odd days. So from this year to, for example, 1st January 2020 to 1st January 2021 means here 20 to 21. This is the leap year only. 2020 is the leap year. Means here 1st January 2020 to 1st January 2021 it will be we are taking 1 year. Means here we are getting 2 odd days we are getting. So here we can get 2 odd days. So 2 odd days means this year 1st January it will be the Monday. It will be the Monday. So after 1 year, 1st January it is the non-leap year. So 2 odd days means Monday plus 2. Monday plus 2 we are getting Wednesday. Next, after 2 years, 1st January, it is also non-leap year only. So we are getting only 1 odd day. Only 1 odd day means, so we can add 1 odd day. Wednesday to 1 we are adding means we are getting Thursday we can get. Next, after 3 years, 1st January, it is also non-leap year only. That equal 1 odd day. That is, so this odd day you can add to Thursday. So we can get Friday we are getting. Friday. Next, this is after 4 years. So 1st January, it is also leap year. So means you are taking here this year only we are calculating, means 1 odd day we are getting. 1 odd day, that is Saturday. Next, after 5 years, 1st January, it is non-leap year. So that previous one we are calculating, means here this is the leap year, means here 2 odd days we are getting. So 2 odd days. 2 odd days means Saturday plus 2, that one we are getting. On Monday we are getting. Monday. So here how many years afterwards we are getting Monday? After 5 years. After 5 years. It will be on Monday. After 5 years we are getting same day we are getting. So this is the longest process. We need to take the trick also. So trick here, once I will clean and I will say the trick. So here we need to add odd days for every year. So odd days for every year, it is 7 or multiple of 7 means you can stop it. So first day, this year is a leap year. Leap year means 2 odd days. Then next one, non-leap year. This is non-leap year. This 2 is the leap year. Plus again one non-leap year. Next again one non-leap year. Every 3 years afterwards we are getting one leap year we are getting. So one leap year. Now you can add once 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 7 days we got it. 7 days means here 1 year. This is second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. Means 5 years. After 5 years, it will be on Monday. So 5 years afterwards we are getting same day we are getting. Next one more example. Example number 5. Ram celebrated his 4th birthday on 29th February 2020 when he was born. Here 4th birthday it was given and when he was born, birth date we need to find. So here 29th February 2020. So 2020 means 2020 is a leap year. So he was 4th birthday he is celebrating in a leap year. Means 4th birthday when he is celebrating 29th February 2020. Now 3rd birthday. So 29th February 2016 he was celebrated. And 2nd birthday 29th February 2012. So Ram's birth date equal 29th February 2008. So here 4th birthday he was celebrated 29th February 2020. So birth date of the Rams 29th February. Example number 6. The last day of the century cannot be. So which dates are not having the centuries? So first century. It is century means 100 years. So 100 years one we have 5 odd days. 5 odd days means so 5th day of a week. 5th day of a week it will be Friday. It will be Friday. 200 years means second century. So that is 2 into 5, that is 10. 10 means we are getting one complete year, we are getting complete weeks, not the year, sorry. Complete week plus 3 odd days. 3 odd days. So third day of a week. Third day of a week it is Wednesday. Next 300 years means 3rd century. 3 into 5 that is 15. 15 means 2 complete weeks plus 1 odd day. That equal first day of a week. First day of a week it is Monday. It is Monday. 4th century that is 400 years. 4 into 5 plus 1 odd day we are getting. It is a 400 is a leap year. That equal 21. 21 means this is 3 complete weeks plus 0 odd days. 0 odd days means it will be Sunday. It will be Sunday. Now here the last days once you have to check it here. So first century we got Friday, and second century Wednesday, third century Monday, fourth century Sunday we got. So which days are we did not got here? Tuesday, Thursday, Thursday and Saturday. Cannot be in the centuries. So we are not getting Tuesday, Wednesday and Saturday in the centuries. Only we are getting Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Sundays. When you will practice more and more, you can get the concepts easily. I hope you are enjoyed this session, and this session is very helpful for you. Don't forget like and comment. Don't forget subscribing the channel. We will meet in the next video with different concept. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.